safety and security of our students and staff are the highest priority at Leyden High Schools. To that end, we have recently installed a new alert system called BluePoint, which directly contacts police and first responders and functions in a similar way to a fire alarm system. These new pull stations are located throughout our school buildings and can be utilized by anyone should an active threat arise. If an alarm is activated, first responders are immediately notified, loudspeakers sound throughout the building, and flashing lights are utilized.
Attention, there is an active threat in the building. I repeat, there is an active threat in the building. Close and lock all doors, windows, and shades. Turn off lights and silence all phones. Stay away from the windows and doors and remain silent. Stay in the room until further notice and instructions.
BluePoint pull stations should only be pulled when there is an immediate active threat situation. For smaller classroom or hallway disturbances, we should still utilize the push buttons in the classrooms to notify the main office. Green pull stations are for medical emergencies. When those are pulled, ambulances will be deployed immediately to support the needs of our school district.
We expect that the use of the alarm may trigger strong emotions from the people who are in our building at the time. This is a powerful safety resource and it must be respected and used appropriately.
We care about you, and thank you for your continued partnership in helping keep Leyden safe. Remember, if you see something, say something.